Okay, so we changed the centrifugal motor. We installed it. This is the old centrifugal. This is the new centrifugal motor. So again, we were talking about this run. It's the pipe type that this run arrived to the workshop. So now if we see in the remote controller, we don't see any error about the centrifugal motors. So the problem was that this centrifugal were causing the ESC problem in both arms. So we're gonna eliminate trapped air. So now we are doing a spraying, and if we see both are working well, and in the remote controller we don't see any error about the spraying system. So the problem of this drone was this centrifugal motor were causing the problem of the both centrifugal motors, the ESC error and voltage too low. Again, this is the serial number. So the problem is fixed.